Did you know that some indoor plants can naturally purify the air in your home? Today, we will show you 5 amazing plants that not only make your home beautiful but also healthy. Number 1. Spider plant. Spider plant is an indoor plant that grows easily and naturally purifies the air. Even NASA recommends it because it removes harmful gases like carbon monoxide and xylene. Water it once a week. Just keep it in bright, indirect light, away from direct sunlight, and watch how it leaves stay lush and green. Number 2. Snake plant. Snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is perfect for the bedroom. It releases oxygen at night, which helps you sleep better. It requires very little care and can survive even if you forget to water it. Number 3. Peace lily. Peace lily is visually beautiful and also removes mold and harmful substances from the air. Water it when the soil feels dry and keep it away from direct sunlight. It prefers a humid environment, making it perfect for bathrooms or kitchens. Number 4. Money plant or golden pothos. Money plant is an indoor plant that grows very easily and keeps the air in the room clean. It helps remove harmful gases like formaldehyde and benzene. Anyone new to gardening can easily keep this plant. Water it when the top layer of soil is dry and place it in bright light but away from direct sunlight. If you want, you can also grow it in water. Number 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just for the skin, it is an excellent air purifier. It removes harmful substances like formaldehyde, but place it in direct sunlight and water it when the soil is dry. These are your home's natural air filters. 5 beautiful indoor plants that keep the air clean and uplift your mood. Which one is your favorite plant? Let us know in the comments.